Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Here is Sajid Naseem once again with a new topic, types of chromosome. We were studying the chapter number 6, chromosomes and DNA. So let's start types of chromosome. On the basis of length of the chromatids, we divide chromosome into 4 types. Which are these? They are the metacentric, second is the submetacentric, third is the telocentric, fourth is the acrocentric. So let's discuss the first one, metacentric. Metacentric is a type of the chromosome in which centromere is present in the center of the chromatids. Okay, this is the metacentric. Centromere is in the center. Submetacentric, where chromatids are not in the center and the length of the arms of chromosome are unequal. In acrocentric, one arm is so small and second one is the too large. Centromere is at the terminal point. And telocentric is a type in which one arm of chromosome is totally absent and only one side have the centromere. These are the 4 types of chromosome on the basis of the attachment of chromatids or the position of centromere. Some other types of chromosome that may be homologous chromosomes. Homologous chromosome. Physically similar chromosomes are known as homologous chromosome. In my first lecture of this chapter, I have told you that chromosomes are found in the form of pairs. हमेशा पेयर कौन से क्रोमोसोम्स के बनते हैं? जो से बिल्कुल सेम साइज के होते हैं, जिनकी लेंथ सेम होती है. दे आर नोन एज द homologous chromosome. In this picture, I am showing you 2 different homologous chromosomes. They have the same length. They have the same length. Now, autosomes and sex chromosomes. Chromosomes which are similar and make the female of some species are called the autosomes. वो chromosomes जो similar होते हैं मेल और फीमेल दोनों species में, they are known as the autosomes. Okay, and the chromosome which are different in male and female species, they are the sex chromosome. They are represented by XX or XY. Mostly जो है XX for female and XY is for the male. But in case of birds, this can be opposite. Here is the, in case of the birds, the sex chromosome it may be different. Thus the genetic constitution of female is in birds or in some animals we can be ZW and ZZ. So it was the sex chromosome. Now is the another term that I want to discuss here, that is karyotype. They are the basic definitions about the genetics. You must memorize all them. Karyotype is the arrangement of the chromosome. They may be defined as the in particular array of chromosomes that an individual possess. पर्टिकुलर अरेंजमेंट. अब 46 क्रोमोसोम अगर ह्यूमंस के अंदर है तो ऐसे स्कैटर्ड तो नहीं होंगे ना, एक स्पेसिफिक अरेंजमेंट होगा उनका. तो दिस अरेंजमेंट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम इज नोन एज कैरियोटाइप. दे मे बी डिफरेंट बिटवीन द डिफरेंट स्पीशीज और समटाइम्स इवन बिटवीन द पर्टिकुलर इंडिविजुअल. Karyotypes are often examined to detect the genetic abnormalities. अब जेनेटिक एबनॉर्मेलिटीज़ क्या होती हैं? जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था कि नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम फिक्स होते हैं हर लिविंग थिंग के अंदर, लेकिन कभी कभी क्या होता है, नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम वेरिएबल होते हैं, चेंज भी हो सकते हैं. तो एबनॉर्मल हो गया ना ये. तो जेनेटिक एबनॉर्मेलिटी को स्टडी करने के लिए हम क्या करते हैं? कैरियोटाइप को स्टडी करते हैं. तो जो होमवर्क है, यू हैव टू मेमोराइज ऑल दीज डेफिनेशंस. ये सब डेफिनेशंस अच्छे तरीके से आपको मेमोराइज करनी है, अपने नोट्स बनाने हैं, खुद से लिखनी है, एंड यू हैव टू ड्रा द डायग्राम वेयर एवर नेसेसरी. ओके, थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़.